Hello, Earthlings. Welcome back to the FAD PAD, right here in Oakland, California. I'm Mary Ellen Hill. I'm a storyteller, and we're continuing with hearing the story, We All Contain a Spark, the story of the universe. It's our cosmic common origin story based on scientific facts. Now, last video in number 3, we were talking about how when the universe was born 13.8 billion years ago, out of a spark much smaller than a poppy seed, space, time, matter, and energy came billowing out. But what we're going to learn today is that when matter was able to join in the story, there was also antimatter, matter, antimatter, like two teams. And they both wanted to win. So they kept crashing each other, destroying each other over and over and over and over and over and over again. And it turned out that there was always one little bit of matter left over from the antimatter. And that meant that matter won. Yay for Team Matter, because, well, if there wasn't any matter in the universe, it wouldn't continue. And there wouldn't be you or me or peanut butter or apples or trees or bees or tulips or rivers, let alone stars. So we're really glad the matter won out. And this new matter that appeared, we call them quarks. What a great name, Quark. Try to say that. Quark. Give me a Q. Give me a U. Give me an A. Give me an R. Give me a K. What does that spell? Quark. Oh, and the quarks were so happy to be in the story. Guess what they did? They hugged each other in threes. They formed a trio, a friendship gathered together in threes. The first friendships, the first bonded relationships of the universe. Now, do you have two friends? Well, with you, it forms three, right? A trio. Those are very special. Hey, will you help me act out the new friendships in the universe? Here's my basket of quarks. Now, the white one is the quark that has a positive charge, the up charge. The other quark we're going to learn about today is the one with the down charge, the negative charge. And if you have two blue and a white come together to form that friendship, that trio, it's a bigger piece of matter, isn't it? And we call this bit of matter a neutron. Neutron. Now, you might be wondering what happens when we have two white and one blue. That's another trio, another friendship that formed. And when we have two white and one blue, we call that a proton. Proton. And these bits of matter that are getting bigger and bigger, forming more and more friendships, are really important. And how old do you think the universe is at this point? Here's a clue. That's right, 3 minutes old. And that's how I remember it, because quarks come together in threes, and the universe is 3 minutes old. Now, next time when we get together, we're going to talk about what happens after that. In my magic little bag, here's a little clue. Who do you think this might be? that's going to join the story next. Well, maybe something sparked up in you today hearing this part of the story. Do you want to go and make your own corks out of clay, maybe? Do you want to paint a picture, sing a song, do a dance? Maybe read a book? Well, you know I love books, and I'm going to bring out one of my favorites that I had from video one, Born with a Bang. The Universe Tells Our Cosmic Story by Jennifer Morgan, illustrated by Dana Lynn Anderson. Here's their picture of the quarks and the anti-quarks duking it out. Isn't that great? Well, if you want to share a book with me, or maybe a fun fact, maybe you want to share your artwork, please reach out to me at mehstories@gmail.com. Check out my website, www.mehstories.com, to find out more about my work as a storyteller. You can see the other videos on my website, and you can find out what fun things we do with kids here at the FAD PAD. Also, you can follow me on Instagram, Mary Ellen Hill Storyteller. Until then, keep that spark alive. Bye for now.